Okay, exercise 2.2, question number 1, x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so Kavin, you tell me what are the zeros of this polynomial? Kavin, you can ask. Actually, this is very easy. And if nobody is having doubt, I won't waste much time on this and we can move fast. So, first of all, let me know, are all 6 parts done? Just type in the chat box if. So here how we'll factorize? Actually product, ये A है और ये C है, तो 4 into 1, product of two numbers is 4 and their sum is minus 4. Okay, so 4s square, so minus 2s plus 1, 2s will take common, 2s minus 1, minus 1 will take common, 2s minus 1, so 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1, okay, equals to 0. For finding 0, we have to put this polynomial equal to 0. So 2s minus 1 equals to 0 means s equals to 1 by 2, and same for other one also. So alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is 1 by 2. Yes, what is value of ABC, Avni?
A is 4, B is minus 4 and C is 1.
Okay. So alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1, and minus b by a, that is equal to minus of minus 4 upon 4, that is also equal to 1. So first relationship is verified. Next one I am doing here only. Alpha into beta equals to c by a. Alpha into beta is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and c is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4. So both the things we have done, we have found the zeros and we have verified the relationship. Okay. Third question. Okay, yes, Nirviksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
what?
minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2.
Okay, minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. Okay, so that is also typing correct answer. X equals to minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. Okay, what are values of ABC?
6, minus 7, minus 3.
A is 6, B is minus 7 and C is 3. So here actually this polynomial.
Minus 3.
Okay, minus 3, right. Here polynomial is not arranged in decreasing powers of x. So first step is arranging it in decreasing powers of x. Then factorizing. For factorizing we have to think product of two numbers is minus 18 and their sum is minus 7. Okay. So 9 and 2 will be the numbers. It will be minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. This way we will factorize it. Okay. Here we will take 3x common. So 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3, okay, equals to 0. So it is 2x minus 3 common from both the terms and 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals to minus 1 by 3. These are the alpha and beta. Okay. And verifying the relationship, alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Yes, Nirviksha?
7 by 6.
Ma'am, 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 2.
Okay, 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 3. So 7 by 6. And here it is minus of minus 7 by 6. Okay. So this way, this verification also you have to do. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta. 1 minute. Alpha into beta equals to c by a. Alpha is minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. So it is minus 1 by 2 and c by a minus 3 by 6, that is also minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now fourth part, Harini. 4u plus 8u.
Ma'am, A is 4. And B is 8.
Okay.
C is 0.
Okay. And what are values of alpha and beta?
Ma'am, alpha is 0 and beta is minus.
Okay. So 0 and minus 2. Okay. Siddharth has typed this answer also correct. We'll take 4u outside. So it is u plus 2. When you will put this equal to 0, u equals to 0 and u equals to minus 2. So this is alpha and this is beta. Okay. Or we can write alpha equals to u equals to 0 and this is equal to beta. Now we have to verify the relationship alpha plus beta, that is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to b by a minus b by a minus 8 by 4, that is equal to minus 2, and alpha into beta, that is equal to alpha by, okay, so 0, it is 0 and c is also 0. Okay, then fifth one. Okay, who is ready to answer and did not get any chance today?
Ma'am, may I say?
Nirviksha, you got the chance. Okay. Hinal, Himani and Siddharth, they are okay. So, okay, Siddharth, this you can answer. After that, Himani, you can answer, and then Hinal. Okay. Is there anybody else who is interested and did not get the chance today? Okay. So, first, Siddharth.
Ma'am, alpha is minus under root 15 and beta is under root 15.
Okay. So, plus and beta is, one of them is minus and one of them is plus. Okay. 1 minute. So, we'll put P of t equals to 0. That is equal to t square minus 15 equals to 0. T square equals to 15. T equals to square root 15. So, it is plus and minus. Okay. Square root of. Now, what is value of ABC?
Ma'am, A is 1,
Hmm.
B is also 1. No, B is root 15.
And C?
C is 0.
Okay. Yes, Hinal. What mistake did he do?
B is 0 and C is minus 15.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Siddharth, is it clear? इसमें
Yes,
कोई
ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
t का तो टर्म ही नहीं है, तो b is 0 and constant term is c. Okay. Okay. So alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta, that means minus root 15 plus root 15. So it is 0. And minus of b is already 0. So 0 equals to 0. This is verified. And alpha into beta equals to c by a. So alpha into beta, that is root 15 into minus root 15. So it is minus 15. And c is minus 15 by 1. So this is verified. Okay. Okay. Now, next one minute. Yes, Himani, your turn now. Sixth one. Okay. 3x square minus x minus 4. Himani?
Alpha is equals to minus 1, beta is equals to 4 by 3.
Beta equals to 4 by 3. 1 minute. Product of two numbers is 3 into minus 4. That is equal to 12. And sum is minus 1. Okay, so how we'll factorize 3x square? And numbers will be minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. X we have taken common. So it is 3x minus 4 plus 1 into 3x minus 4. This is equal to 0. So x plus 1 into 3x minus 4 equals to 0. X is minus 1 and x is 4 by 3. Okay. Yes, what are values of ABC?
A is equals to 3, B is equals to minus 1 and C is equals to minus 4.
Okay. Now, alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So, this is alpha, this is beta. Alpha is minus 1 plus 4 by 3 and minus of minus 1 by 3. So, it is minus 3 plus 4 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. So, first one is verified. Next one, alpha into beta equals to c by a. that is minus 1 into 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So this is also verified. Okay. So this is all about this part. Now, okay. Is there anybody who did not get the chance today? Anybody who is interested to answer and did not got the chance today? Did not get the chance? Okay, Hinal? Yes. So one more question. Suppose there is a polynomial x square minus 3. Okay, same question. Same question. Suppose one more part is there. Here we have to find the zeros and we have to find the coefficients. Now we have to verify the relationship between the coefficients and zeros. So now tell me how we'll do.
Ma'am, the zeros will be plus root 3 and minus root 3.
Okay, so first of all we'll put p of x equals to 0, that is equal to x square minus 3 equals to 0, x square equals to 3, so x equals to plus or minus root 3. So alpha equals to root 3 and alpha equals to minus root 3. What are values of ABC?
A equal to 1, B is 0 and C is minus 3.
Okay, now so alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, that is root 3 minus root 3 equals to b is 0, so 0 equals to 0, and alpha into beta equals to c by a, so root 3 into minus root 3 equals to minus 3 upon 1, so minus 3 equals to minus 3. Okay, this was example 3. Okay. A small part of this chapter is left to frame the quadratic polynomial when sum and product of zeros is given. Okay, so that we are going to do in next class. Okay, and in case any doubt is there, anybody any doubt, you can ask now. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Okay, so okay, I am ending this class now, and what you will do is start preparing for the test. After one maths class, maybe I take test of chapter 1 and 2 both. Okay, after this portion, division algorithm for polynomials is omitted. Okay, so